Hello, so let's start today's video. For that I am going to draw one tilted line and one small line on the top of the big line. So this is almost like a 4-inch and this is like a 1-inch here and 1-inch here. Now from here to here I'm going to connect with the arch. Now this one I'm not going to do this arch. I will do little bit straight and then I'm going to turn this one. Now from here to here I will just connect this one. I'm doing dark but try to draw light because this is the guideline for me, and this one I will do with the arch. Now I'm going to start from here. It's kind of tilted line going down here and then parallel to this one. So for this line, this is almost like a middle point. So I will start from here and I will do sad face and then big smiley face over here. So we can see this is almost like a middle point for this line. So almost here. So you can see big smiley face over here and then sad face over here. Now I'm going to erase this line from here. Now for this line, this is going to be the middle point for this line. So I will start from here and I will go touch this one and then I will turn this one. Now from here, just a little bit above, and I will curve this one. Now from this point, I will go a little bit curvy and tilted line here. And from here, wherever it's touching, or a little bit here, doesn't matter, I will make another curvy line. Now from here, closer to this line, I will start from here and I will do kind of like an arch over here. And I will not go and touch this line. I will stop here. And from here, I will do one arch or smiley face, little bit curve here, just slightly. And from here I'm also going to curve like a sad face. Now we are going to draw this part and how big it's going to be. For that, what we can do, we can see the size of this one and we will try the same thing over here. So this line is going straight here, guideline, and then turning down here, alphabet U, then sad face, and then big smiley face. Now this was our guideline. So from here I'm going to curve this one, and here I'm going to draw one curvy line. And this one again, it's kind of like a side face, alphabet U, and slightly sad face, and this one will go here with the biggest smiley face. Now over here, this is going to be the eye. We can draw a tiny circle here. Now we are going to move this one a little bit in, and we are going to do one eye over here. We will make tiny circle here, and other part will be dark.